Kokotree.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Miss Meera. Whoa! What's that big book on the table today?
I'm glad you asked, Maddie. Today, I have a special story to share with you all.
A story? I love stories.
Is it about adventures and new things to learn? Absolutely, Gina. The story is filled with magical places and wonderful lessons.
I can't wait. Let's begin.
Once upon a time, in a land not so far away, there was a curious little ant named Andy. Andy woke up early one bright morning. The sun was shining and the dew sparkled on the grass. Andy was not like other ants. He was curious and loved adventures. That day, he decided to embark on a journey to find a legendary treasure hidden deep within the Whispering Woods. He packed his tiny backpack with an apple for energy, an umbrella just in case it rained, and a map he had found in an old book. As Andy stepped outside his cozy anthill, he took a deep breath of fresh morning air. Along the path, he met a friendly grasshopper named Greg. "Good morning, Andy. Where are you headed so early?"
I'm off to find the hidden treasure of the Whispering Woods. Would you like to join me?
Absolutely! An adventure sounds exciting! Together, they set off down the winding path. After a while, they came across an old oak tree, its branches stretching high into the sky. Under the old oak tree, they discovered a mysterious stone with strange markings. Andy examined the stone and realized it was a clue. The markings matched the symbols on his map.
Look, Greg! This stone shows us the way through the Whispering Woods.
They followed the clues, which led them into a dark cave. Inside the cave, they encountered a wise old owl perched on a ledge. "Whoo! Greetings, travelers. To pass through, you must solve my riddle." Andy and Greg listened carefully. "What has a face and two hands, but no arms or legs?" Andy thought for a moment.
A clock!
"Whoo! Correct. You may proceed." They thanked the owl and continued on their journey. Emerging from the cave, they climbed over a tall hill where they could see the entire forest spread out before them. The view was breathtaking. At the bottom of the hill, they reached a flowing river. There was no bridge to cross. "Oh no! How are we going to get across?" Just then, a friendly turtle surfaced near the riverbank. "I can help you cross the river." They gratefully climbed onto the turtle's shell, and he ferried them safely to the other side. Finally, they arrived at the spot marked by the big red X on the map. There, nestled among the roots of a grand old tree, was a shiny treasure chest adorned with intricate designs. With hearts pounding, they opened the chest. Inside, they found a beautiful golden book, its pages shimmering with magical light. The moment they opened it, colorful letters and words began to float into the air, swirling around them like playful butterflies. Suddenly, a gentle voice emanated from the book. "Congratulations, brave adventurers! You have found the legendary book of words."
"Oh, look, Andy! These words are floating all around us. There's a, and over there's an and up there is a the.
And look at those punctuation marks, commas and full stops.
What are punctuation marks?
They're special helpers for writing. They tell us when to pause and when to stop a sentence.
Oh, interesting. So we can use a full stop at the end to show the sentence is complete?
That's right, Greg.
Hello again, young adventurers.
Hey, Wise Owl. We're so glad to see you.
Did you see all those magical words?
I did indeed. But to use them properly, you must practice. Would you like to learn how?
Yes, please.
Very well. Let's begin. Woo-hoo! I love magic. I have some items for you here. Let's decide whether to use a, an, or the with each one. I'll ask you some questions first. Andy, what did you see?
I see an apple.
Excellent. Why did you use an an?
Because apple starts with a vowel sound.
Very good. Greg, your turn.
I see a ball.
Well done. Now, what about this?
It's an umbrella.
Perfect. So now you both know that a and an are used when talking about one thing, but not a specific one. A is used before words that start with a consonant sound, like a tiger. And an is used before words that start with a vowel sound, like an elephant. Now let's talk about the. See that star up there?
Yes, it's the North Star.
Exactly. We use the because it's a specific star.
This is fun.
Now, let's learn about full stops and commas. They help us write sentences clearly. See the full stop at the end? It shows the sentence is complete.
Like taking a pause.
Correct, Greg. Now, when we list items, we use commas.
So the commas separate the items in the list.
Correct. You're both quick learners.
Thank you, oh wise owl. This will help us write amazing stories.
Remember, with these words and punctuation, you can make your stories clear and exciting.
let's try writing a sentence.
How about we met an owl, a turtle, and the special old book?
Excellent use of a, an, the, commas, and a full stop. And so, with the owl's guidance, Andy and Greg practiced using a, an, the, commas, and full stops. They wrote sentences and stories, growing more confident with each one. From that day on, Andy and Greg became the greatest storytellers in the forest, sharing their tales with all the animals and inspiring others to embark on their own adventures. And that's the story of Andy the Ant and his magical adventure.
I wish I could go on an adventure like that.
Maybe someday you will, Tiki. Now, did you notice how Andy and Greg used the special book to tell their stories?
They used words to make their stories better.
Excellent, Gina. Remember, words are powerful tools. Using a, an, and the helps us tell clearer stories. And punctuation like full stops and commas help us understand each other better. Oh! It looks like it's time to wrap up for the day.
Aww.
Don't worry, Maddie. There's always more fun to be had. Goodbye, everyone. See you soon.